Welcome to another episode of Workshop Insider, where we bring you the latest and greatest tips, tricks, and life hacks for all of your projects. If the tip of your snap blade is getting dull, you can clip it off with a pair of pliers for a fresh tip. We need to fill spackling around this hole without making a mess. We can use a drywall knife to help us out. Seems like this paint roller brush is a bit too long. We can saw it down to the appropriate size and then put back the end piece where it belongs. This fits perfectly. This bolt keeps falling out of the socket. We can use a rubber band to hold it in place. Now just attach the socket. Remove the rubber band when finished. This bearing is looking a little bit dirty. We can remove a lot of the grime with just the help of some duct tape. By adding a binder clip and a pen to the back of this measuring tape, we can make quick marking gauge for marking straight lines. We can use some tacks to help us line up these dowels. Now we just drill our holes, and our dowels fit perfectly. This hammer is a bit too wide to reach this nail. We can stack another nail on top to drive the first nail all the way in. Here's a cool device that will help us screw in two pieces of board together. Let's create a tool that will help us safely sand small pieces of wood without injuring our fingers. We'll place the wood on one side and a wedge on the other side. Now we can sand safely. We can glue these clothespins to the wall to act as a hanger for any instructions or diagrams. We can still get this TV remote to work, even if we only have one battery. Insert the battery, and then roll up a piece of aluminum foil. Place it inside the other battery slot, and now you can use the remote. We can solder these two pieces of wire together by running an electric current through them. By drilling a hole into this bolt, we can pass wire rope through the bolt and then screw it into the post, making cable railing. Just be sure to secure the wire rope on the other side. If you're having a hard time toenailing, that is, hammering a nail into a stud, you can use a curved nail to make hammering a little easier. Now we're making a DIY expansion anchor. Round off the head of the bolt so that it fits into the PVC pipe. Add a washer and a bolt so that it looks like this. Place it into the block and tighten up the bolt until it's secure. This set of wrenches is a bit unorganized. We can fasten the head of this rake to the wall and hang all of our wrenches on that. If we cut these boards along the markings like so, we'll have a nice, secure stand that'll help us plane and sand our woodworking pieces. Here we have a dado joint that we are going to lock into place using these dowels. Drill holes, add some glue, insert the dowels, and then saw them flush. Then sand everything for a smooth finish. Next, we're cutting out a drill holder for our belt from this plastic bottle. These tabs will attach to our belt. This drill fits nicely. Let's make a tripod out of PVC. We'll drill some holes to create a slot that holds our phone. Then we'll cut out the legs of the tripod. Now we can watch all of our favorite videos. If we have an old fork, we can bend it like this and then use it as a wire twister. Let's use this brand new brush head with stiff bristles and attach it to the end of the rod and drill. Now we can scrub all of the skin off these soaked potatoes in record time. It's much faster than peeling. By drilling a few holes in this board and adding a bit of varnish, we can make a stand for our pliers.